Typically every day I have a class except for Fridays. I like to plan my schedule that way. I tend to try to come to campus a little bit earlier than a few of my morning classes just so I can have some time to get some work done. That way once my classes are over for the evening, then I can go have dinner, go to the gym, go to an extracurricular club event, or go to my job as a writing fellow. I'm very passionate about being a writing fellow. Those are undergraduate peer writing tutors. I've been a writing fellow since my sophomore spring. I applied when I was a freshman, so it's really been something I've had throughout my 4 years here. Currently, I'm serving on the executive board for it. I'm continuing to tutor. I was a mentor last semester for our incoming class as a writing fellow, so it has really been my biggest passion since I've been a student here. I would definitely say the most important thing coming into Rochester is that it really is all up to you. You're gonna have a lot of time to really explore maybe something you don't know you're passionate about yet, or something you want to continue growing. I didn't know I was passionate about gender studies until I took a few classes, and then I decided to add it as a minor. So just be prepared to learn a bit more about yourself and also some things that you want to grow.